Hello guys, this is our shallow dive project. We named it QuizCorner, and as you might have already guessed it by the name, that our app is all about quizzes. It currently has 4 interesting quiz games. We have used some of the most commonly used technologies around, like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and jQuery for the front end. And as for the backend, we have made use of Node.js for writing server, MongoDB for the database, Cloudinary to upload images to, and we have deployed the project on Heroku. The database is being hosted on Mongo Atlas. We've made use of a few NPM packages like Express, Body Parser, MongoDB, NodeMailer, etc. We didn't use bcrypt. We chose the crypto package that ships with Node.js. The JavaScript files are all obfuscated, adding another layer of security to it. So let's take a quick tour. Thanks to our team, we have designed a sleek UI. We have lots of features in front of your eyes. We have implemented basic authentication like login, sign up, and forgot password feature too. All game routes are authorized by the server upon successful authentication. We thought we needed some data to hook them up to the leaderboard and some games that use these data too. All of these input fields are validated on the client side itself. On successful user sign up, user is automatically logged in. So let me sign up for you guys. So you can see we got a response and user is already logged in. And one more feature was if one was asked to log in clicking a route, they'll be redirected to that route after successful authentication. For example, you can see, let's say I'm playing the game flag up and I'm asked to log in. So I just use the credentials that I just now gave. So there you go. Now we go back to the flag up route. And let me show you guys the profile page. We have the profile page here. We can upload our profile pic if we need. There are all the basic things found in a profile page. We can also update them from here. As you can see, the profile pic is been uploaded to Cloudinary, and even the avatar is being changed. So let's jump into the games. So we have 4 games right now. First one is called Bonded. It's a very fun game to play with family and friends. You basically answer 15 random questions about yourself and share the unique link generated by us with your family and friends. I'm just answering these very randomly. So there you go. We have got a unique link. On click of this button, it copies the link. So you're supposed to just share this link with your family and friends. And they're going to log in with the same link. So as you can see, I've switched to incognito. I'm going to paste that link. As you can see, it's asking me to log in. So just now, a random user can't answer your quizzes. See, after sign up, I'm just being loaded to the game that the link that I followed. So as you can see, it's asking questions about XE1. That's the user that sent me the link that created the game. So I'm just going, and these options are not in the same order. All the options are randomized on every fetch. And we present you with a bond meter, which shows their bond with you and how well they know. Also, they can only answer once, and you can't answer your own question either, just to keep it fair. So when I'm reloading the page, I won't be able to answer it. You can see I've just answered the quiz, and it shows the leaderboard and my score. And switching over to the main user, if I'm using the same link, it won't let me play. And you can always use the link to check the leaderboard. So as you can see, we have implemented a leaderboard that displays the top 10 scorers. And we also have social media share buttons with which you can share the link to your friends right away at the click of a button. So as you can see, it takes me to the Facebook page. And as you can see, we have the link here. And moving on to the other games. Flag Up and Iconic are similar games. We have a pool of images which are sent to you randomly for you to guess the country flag in Flag Up and guess the icon or brand name in Iconic. So let me show you a demo in Flag Up. Again, I'm just answering randomly. Okay, so I've got 5 questions out of 15 correct. So there you see we have a leaderboard with top 10. And for the next game, it's called Colorista. This is a different game. The data is being generated randomly by a script and you race against time. Just click on the right color, right? Give it a try and let's see if you can touch the leaderboard. Okay, I could only get 11 for now. The top score is 35 right now. And as for other features, we have also taken a few HTTP error handlings. Like for 404, for example, if there's no route, it's going to generate a 404 page. And we are not done yet. Yes, the app is responsive too. You can see how well it transitions into the small screen. There's also a search bar on top to search for the games that we are currently added, that are currently present. We are currently adding new games to the app using JSON file that's being supplied to the server. As for the future scopes, we are planning to implement admin panel where we add games in a more standard way. Also, we have more games on mind. We also are thinking to allow social media logins. So that's that's all about it for now. Thanks to the team members, mentor and instructors that made it happen. Give it a try and let us know your feedbacks. Thank you.